In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Akiflow for beginners. Akiflow is a robust tool designed to streamline your workflow, boost productivity, and ensure you stay on top of your daily tasks. It's a digital cockpit for your life, merging your calendar and task manager into one seamless platform. Let's dive into how you can start using Akiflow effectively. First things first, think of your inbox in Akiflow as your personal brain dump. This is where every idea, task, or reminder should land initially. It's like having a digital notepad that captures everything you don't want to forget. To quickly capture thoughts from anywhere on your computer, you can hit the global shortcut, Alt or Option plus space. This allows you to jot down a quick note, like, watch Akiflow tutorial video, without leaving your current task. If you're just getting started, focus on entering a single task to familiarize yourself with the process. Akiflow also offers seamless integrations with your favorite tools. Head over to the settings to connect your Google Calendar, Gmail, Slack, Todoist, and more. I recommend linking your calendar first, as Akiflow will automatically import all your meetings and events. For those using email for task management, Akiflow lets you convert any email into a task directly connected to the original message. This is incredibly useful for emails requiring actions, making sure nothing slips through the cracks. Now let's move on to the daily ritual, a unique feature in Akiflow designed to help you plan your day effectively. It's best to incorporate this ritual at the start of your workday or the evening before. When you navigate to the Today page, your calendar will be displayed on the right, while your tasks and inbox appear on the left. Akiflow often prompts you to kickstart your daily plan using this ritual. It's an opportunity to review overdue tasks and decide if they're still relevant or need snoozing. Then, focus on planning your day by choosing tasks from your inbox to tackle today. Aim to set 1 to 3 high-priority tasks or daily goals. These are the tasks you absolutely must complete. Finally, let's talk about time blocking, a pivotal feature that makes Akiflow shine. Time blocking involves assigning specific time slots on your calendar to individual tasks. This process helps bring your schedule to life visually. Begin by selecting a task from the list on the left and simply dragging it to your calendar on the right. This visual commitment to a task helps you not just list what needs to be done, but also specify when you will do it. For quick planning, you can select a task and hit the P shortcut. This will bring up a handy command bar where you can use natural language to schedule tasks. For example, typing Tom 2 p.m. or Fry for 1H will be understood by Akiflow. And remember, once a task is on your calendar, you can click it and use the equals shortcut to adjust its duration, preventing any task from consuming your entire day. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to mastering Akiflow, leveraging its features to manage your time and tasks more effectively. Happy planning!